think we are up now, and I'll start the timer. So today, I believe we have the no delay issue.
I think we are up now.
So,
Disconnected.
so still I can see there is a delay. I believe we have the no delay issue. Okay, I got it. Why so things? Still, I can see we have a big uh, delay. Still, we have a delay, so no worries. So I thought I could reduce it. First thing we are going to do is to put it on here. So first, I did some few updates in the project, so I will merge into the original one. I done a common header for every control, and okay, still I didn't up my setup, so let us do that first. Sudo setup, okay, setup dot this is setup dot okay. Okay, we are up that. So after that it will work like a charm. So then I added some drop down menu for this logout and setting features stuff, and auto login, that kind of stuff. So we will merge it to the branch. So that's the thing. So today live will shut. So I will go to the pull request. Okay, our site is up now. It is refreshing. Create new pull request. Base branch dev. This branch is found. Okay, now our dev branch is very nice. So we will go to dev branch and pull it. Check dev. Okay, pull origin dev. Done. We are back again. So here also it's up to date. So, this are software requirement specification. Okay, I want to go through things to add a feature today. So today I decided to move on to the features section. So today live is going to be short. Okay, I will show. I did not did that much. But I come so little far by adding the. Now now this area is dynamic coming from the backend, and I added a profile logout. First week of the project is usually by doing when I am in login, I can't able to go to the login page because I use JWT authentication patterns and stuff like that. If I go to log out, if I log out, it will automatically go to the you know page where we need to log in. So okay, now we are automatically redirected to here. So these are the things which I done it now, and now here after onwards I will going to move on to the part where device integration stuffs. So that's it. That 6 days completed for simple authentication and authorization. So today onwards I will move on to the part where I'm integrating this stuff. That means so I wrote at these three rule today. Don't tweaking the front end initially. Don't sit around authentication authorization on the key features of. So why I did this three rule means my motto of building this application is big, and the features of that application is also big. So instead of focusing on that, we will focusing more on UA and UX in the first place. Means we can't able to, because I usually experienced these things. I start a project and I will start with the UA UX and the interface, creating a front end. When I did it, when I am doing that kind of stuffs, I will stuck at that point, and after I completing UA, I can't able to move on, and I lost my motivation to build the project. Why I started, so that's the reason, and so I created this rule today only. And last few days I to say that you can work on colors, but you showed your notes. Yeah, though I can work on colors and a little bit of styling errors I can note because I kind of OCD guy. If I came and start seeing things, the key feature of the application will be missed and lost the motivation of the stuff. So that's why I placed this tool rule today. So focus on the thing, actual functionality. Functionality, what my application intended to, what my application has a novel thing. So that's a thing. uh, I just wanted to go through. So thank you for understanding. So I wanted to place somewhere in the corner to be remind me often. That's what it has to. So let it be here, and we will work on. So these three features we have right now. So I was deciding and going on to the page where backend stuffs. I am still pursuing my degree. Computer science engineering final year. I am a final year student, and a lot of things happening right now. My mental state also not very well and not pretty stable right now because of the final year stuffs. When we came to final years, it's all things that mostly when we are came final year, the drives happening started to happen like interview papers are coming by, and they had a criteria. I had only one. I have only one arrear. Standby career. Because of that reason, I can't able to attend any of the interviews is coming by. So little disappointed because of that one arrear. Okay, it's happening, right? It's not as much of what we think. So God has planned. Going to trust and do my thing here and develop project and going to do it. That's my state right now. Two campus interviews are already conducted in our campus, but nothing I have the eligibility to go. So one is coming in near future. I have plans to talk to the interview conductees. You know, so let it be. Yeah, I did one internship, AML, in the AML industry. Uh, I already told why I have a mental state. So I'm trying to apply outside of the companies. Outside apart from campus, I'm applying uh, online, and I already saw 6 month internship at Tesol in second year of my study, my engineering. Now I have to get on another internship that is going to be my permanent or anything. So I'm searching for it. I'm in a run to search on that things and stuff and all. You know. So let's go on for building things. So first step is to register a device. So for registering device, I'm planning to register device through mm, by a device itself. If I have one device, that device connected to a Bluetooth stuff. So for that, I want to do some research on things like how can we access Bluetooth connection in the web browser and send and receive data. Interact with Bluetooth device from a web browser. You can utilize the web Bluetooth API, which allow website to connect to and communicate. Okay, how can we do it? So that's a point here. Because our plan is to our devices initially don't connected to the internet, right? Why is that? Is the curious question. When user buy a device or a developer developing one IoT device, like for example, we will take this as a IoT device, you know. So it doesn't connected to our internet like local network to our Wi-Fi yet, right? So we need some kind of a local connection to send data to the device to get a Wi-Fi credentials, your home Wi-Fi credentials, right? So for that we need this Bluetooth to connect to our device. Then our web page access that, and data will be shared between them. So that's a point here. What I'm trying to make. So when firmware already contain the code to connect to our Wi-Fi settings, right? So it wait for the data to be sent, and our data will be transferred via the Bluetooth. Then it will connect to the internet and start to connect to our actual server, backend server. So that's the first step in each and every devices we are going to do. So I'm planning by doing it using some QR onboarding method, like you know for every device would contain QR, QR. When we scan it using a web, then we get some data into it, right? So that data will be processed by our backend, and there is a other, and also this device is connected to a Bluetooth. When that QR code scanned happen, afterwards we have to pop up some interface to send data between it. And when we connect to the sending the Wi-Fi, and so for this we can go with some, still my mind is going to the UA stuff, but don't need that for now, because when we do that, this is the thing. So this first step is to brainstorm things, right? So that's what I did right now. So I will going to make it document. So features, brainstorm thing. So if any one of you guys want to grow as a community and learn as a community, we will grow and learn. I have a Discord server in the description. You can go and may join. You know, join in our Discord server. Link is in description, so you can join. So brainstorming. Today, what's the date right now? Today 1/7. Okay, 7/25. Okay, so let's Wi-Fi package. So it uses the or API endpoint device slash register. So go to interpretation. So this is my concept. So this is my overall concept in the first place. Okay, so this little feature of that. So we can make it here, like here. That's where we didn't forgot and see often. As you may go with me alongside. So nothing special, I'm developing on an interface that's going on. So I'm going to implement the main core feature initially here, like. So my first, I have a pretty much base of every code base, like simple authentication, authorization, and simple UI to act upon the UI. And I have a little bit of 6 API endpoints. So hereafter, I'm going to create a core functionality, which I'm going to create this IoT application. So I'm going to create for this IoT application, which is to IoT interface is kind of like that, right? So if one device comes up as a new device, we have to integrate to our interface, right? So we can do it through some QR code method. So that's what I brainstorming today, and I did. Now I will have the start the R&D of to implement it with that backend and how it's going to be and stuff and all, right? So that's a key role of that right now. So first, that device, particular, we have to think it on the both side, how it going to communicate and stuff and all. To communicate to our server, it needs our Wi-Fi credential stuffs, right? And Wi-Fi credential means our local Wi-Fi credential to connect to the internet. So that's a thing. Hmm. So first step to transfer data from our interface to the device uh, by Bluetooth, via Bluetooth. So that's what I trying to do right now. Uh, so I'm thinking on the stuffs. How can I do it and stuff and all. So beforehand, I'm going to create an API for that. So when when we get the device, like when we get the device's Bluetooth connections scenarios, or web page only is responsible for connecting to that, you know, connecting to the. I will going to draw, otherwise. device. I will creating a drawing here. Hello, back. Okay, so first I will go to dark mode, then I'll take the pencil. So first here we have the device and our front end. I'll go cleaner way. So device and front end. We have a backend here and database. Okay, so we need to get the Wi-Fi credential. The device needs to get the Wi-Fi credential. So that's the target. So device has to get the Wi-Fi credential. So device need Wi-Fi credentials to connect to the backend. So how normal user can send data? So device has the firmware. We come to the device part afterwards. So first our target would be to go and really do the software part. So and okay, so our front end is in the client mobile, right? Client mobile or desktop or laptop. So via that client Bluetooth, we are going to transfer data to the application, Wi-Fi application. So beforehand, so while we scan QR, that means the QR which contains device data through the front end, we need to decide what are the things we need to process things like so first it has to show the his its Bluetooth scenarios before, and we need to learn to be Bluetooth in microcontrollers. So the hardware setup stuff and all. Okay. So in the first place, ESP would be the nice because it's a well known. It contains Bluetooth and Wi-Fi integrate internally by itself. So we go with that. So ESP32. I will go with that for now for the example. So how to connect ESP32 to our mobile Bluetooth and send data in the Bluetooth connections. So that's the target. We it's have already as on pretty much a good method, which is we have one application terminal, Bluetooth terminal, but it's also backend using a mobile phone Bluetooth, right? So that we can also can tweak it that, right? So send and view data via Bluetooth from ESP to Android mobile. So I don't need it for the Android mobile. If we understand what is going on behind that, then we can do it to the web, right? Also. is asking about any app. You don't need any apps. Bluetooth serial.h. Okay. Uh-huh. No. This same app I am also using right now, but I don't need app particularly. So non-common. I would suggest you to. So you are a beginner, right? So if you are a beginner in doing and developing a project non-common, find, seek around you, seek around you, try different things. You saw some problem that which you can able to solve for yourself through using your coding and using your, you know, your own programming knowledges. So that same way I started this project. I am using ESP32. I can able to code and connect it to the ESPF for a rainmaker application. But if I want to create customized microcontroller, I want to connect to it, means I can't. So I want to create a universal IoT interface which any device can connect and view, visualize things and stuff and all. So that's what I found this problem, and I'm start developing on that thing. So Kaisen asking about dark mode. I use dark reader if I can't find anything. So it would be nice, right? But it will interrupt with the styles of our website. But if I forgot, keep please remind me. I turned on this dark reader extension. Alright. So I would suggest seek around you and find any problem and do that as a project. And at one point I need a password manager to store my things, so I developed password manager using Laravel. But I'm using now Bitword. I found Bitword as an open source and nice, and it has extension and it has three things. So I developed my password manager for only web. So it has integration feature a lot and free also, so I changed to that. But initially I thought there's no password manager for free, so I developed that password manager for myself to do things and to do things and host it for my purpose. So that's the thing. I would suggest to seek, and if you find any, you know, a good problem that you can solve through programming, do it that way. That's the best thing you can do. Because Bluetooth device APIs, web Bluetooth APIs. Yeah, we have a good, but here we don't need that. So some owner, did you understand? Great. GF Finder. I think you are referring to girlfriend finder. Uh, you have a problem. I think so. That would be nice. So if you can build things like that with your programming things, and you can do it. So if you want to continue to see my project development journey, you can uh, join with our Discord server. That would be nice, and we can grow as a community. So we have a Discord server. Link is in description. That's it. We will read things here. So I don't need serial monitors just to connect to. In the first place, it is pairing, right? So okay, I've already built a project on GitHub. Okay, nice, great, great. Yeah, check out my GitHub too. You can able to view this project which I am currently developing in GitHub, and if you could give it a star, you know, it's also open source. If you like to contribute in it, do it. But didn't have the clear picture of the documentation to do a contribution. I have in my mind to do it in near future. So that's a point. Device need a Wi-Fi credential. So first it need to make a connection to the client device. Is someone over? He's asking about some dating app. Kaisen, your age is not eligible here, man. You are out of bound. Okay, let's continue. And here I already time's up. So it's a break time. If you have any questions or queries, let me know. So where? So I think for this feature we don't need a backend. It's just a first initial idea. but for the scanning QR code features we need, right? So we considered each device as a node. So when it got access to, hmm, we have a broker here. So when it got access to the internet, it will first register, you know, register the device to the backend. Enough for visualization purpose alone. So today I have a 9 o'clock meeting. I have to wind up the 9 o'clock also. So I think people are watching nice. So if you all guys need to grow some community as a developer and any engineer kind of things and problem solvers, you can join in our Discord server and subscribe to our channel though. It would be nice and very amazing to be a part of, you know, community. So I am also so hungry today because I not ate that much afternoon, you know. So this is all the overall idea right now to be implemented. When device got the credentials and so tomorrow I will do one thing, and after days I have a ESP32 in my hand, so I build one thing, right? Like Bluetooth feature. Build oh great! Who's that? Discord new member. Let us welcome. Yeah, Venom Anos. I think Venom Anos. So very nice to meet you, and you know it was great that Venom. Thank you for joining. So, I will give shout out to the Kaizen. He's maintaining and developing our Discord server. Very nice. And I'm not at know uh, for sure what he is doing right now, but after he completed the setups and stuff, I believe he will explain to me and I will show it to you guys about the features and stuff. Okay, so I will start the brainstorm. When device got the credential, it needs to register the node to the backend via MQTT or HTTP. So this is the thing right now, for now. So when we go things and what are the struggles we get, so we will change according to that stuff. Okay. Mhm. So welcome is went on offline. Right. Oh, summoner. It's you. Hi, hi. So Fasil Islam. I think I'm pronouncing it right because I have a little bit of problems in pronouncing names. But Fasil Islam. Hi, hi, hi. New Discord member. The name quite annoying, but not what you think it is. Okay, no worries. So let's grow as a community. So I that's why I would suggest you guys to join and go whatever it is we need to be part, you know helping one another. But during these times it's hard because it's not a COVID though. Okay, I think I'm not pronouncing my your name wrongly, so correct me. I think I will call you a second name. Can I call you using your second name, or let use Google, or you know let it be uh, Fasil Islam or Islam? Fasil or Fusail? So I, you know, respond with 1, 2, 3, which is correct, right? So Fazail Islam 1, right? Uh, Fuzail Islam and Islam. Fuzail, Fuzail, you know, which is correct and which I can call Islam. That's the right? Kaizen, I made a website for document conversion, resize on single website using TypeScript, Tailwind, CSS, and Next.js. Very nice. Oh, two. That means if I'm not wrong, Fuzail Islam is right. I think. Great. So let it be. So if you want join in our Discord server, we can connect more and speak a lot to that. And I'm getting some. Things is going great and nice. Somehow you made a website document conversion, right? Nice to hear that because you used the latest technology, TypeScript, Tailwinds. Okay, I think that's it for today because of so tired right now. He didn't eat that much so today, so I have to eat and attend one meeting, and I will go right to bed. So these are the um, brainstorm for today. I decided to code one microcontroller and readily available, uh, you know, uh, Bluetooth device to verify our website working and stuff and all. So that's the thing which I am doing. And so, what is that, GG? The nice comments are going on with you guys. So another new member. Yep, that's another new member. Hi, hi, hi. Welcome to the Discord. So still, the setup is in progress, uh, but still it will be on soon. You know. So okay, great. If you guys want join in on this kid, and again, I am saying is I'm going to wind down today. It was so hectic. So Good night, and I have to write a to do because okay. So oh, I think removed. Okay, one second. I will check. Hello. Yeah, my microphone is good, but my T-shirt is not steady though. So that's a problem, I think. So okay, see you guys. Good night for today, and Fuzel Islam. I was so happy that you are visiting my live and channel, and I'm so happy for you. So if you want, subscribe and continue my see my journey of building this application. So I think I took a big step, and because it's a big project. So the thing is, before live, uh, take USB, right? Take So please do subscribe and keep following. Daily I will do live. Sunday only I'm not come to live because of but I will stay connected with on Discord. Before live, take a microcontroller and code to connect to the Bluetooth. So this is my tomorrow agenda for come to before. Yeah, I was kind of asking for that yesterday. Also, I increased the decibel in my computer high. So if I increased more than that, I will get you know that smashing noise like a beating sound. And if you are using headphone, it not be nice. So that I reduced it. So this thing is my tomorrow priority before life, and I will check it off. I define that, and yeah, in live experiment with Bluetooth and the web. So these are the tomorrow's agenda, and I don't know. Beforehand, if I had time to code, I can do it. I can complete that. I think so. Things going on. It's nice to meet you guys today. We will see tomorrow on tomorrow live, and I already told I was so you know tired right now. And if you will guys join in our Discord, and we will connect and communicate in that. So see you everybody, and we will meet tomorrow on live. And I already posted what is tomorrow agenda right here. So this is our tomorrow agenda, and I don't need to forget this important note though, because it's really crucial nowadays. Otherwise, I will start to go to tweaking the small thing instead of building the core feature of it. So, okay, good night to everyone. I will go. Oh, Kaizen, why you said wow? Why is it wow? Time files fast. I couldn't understand you, man. Sometimes. So that's it. I think our break time is also going to be over in 1 minute and things. Yeah, today I will. I think I'm going to have a live in less than a 1 hour because yeah, I'm so tired today. So what we did some little basic brainstorming today, and prioritize what we need to do next, and we implement to what to be like when it communicated to the device. And nice to chat with you guys. And that's the thing, three thing I did. I brainstormed the new future and how I going to connect that stuff between physical device. And if now I have a mind map of it, right? So now I take this mind map and do research on it, and how I can able to actually do things like connecting to the web and stuff and all. So yeah, time passes quickly, very quickly. It's going like a flying bird. Not as a flying bird, it's going like light speed. I It feels like now only I start build my self, and came to study engineering. But it's been around 4 weeks. For it's going to be a final year of mine. So that's the thing. Time goes fast. Never waited for everyone to become catch up along. So see you. So this is the mind map. I need to do a lot of research on that and R&D on that to integrate with the web and actually connecting my physical device, IoT device, to the web application, to our web application. So that's the thing and criteria for today. So let's go, and we will meet you tomorrow, friends. I have 30 minutes to spare for around 1 minute, 1 hour. So I decided to stop this live exactly at 1 hour. So I have around 20 seconds. So any questions, guys? So again, I will remind you, link in description, invite link in description. You can join in our Discord and subscribe to the channel, and we will grow and do it. So, thank you everybody. Yeah, it's been 1 hour. See ya. Oh, new feature. Live is Discord live. It's showing somewhat like Discord live. Kaizen, are you there? I see some, you know, Discord live in my OBS. Stop streaming. Discord delay. Something else. Okay. See ya. We will talk.